Today in the kitchen, I am making an old-fashioned southern side dish called cornbread salad. I heard my mom talking about it one day to some of her aunts at a family reunion, and I have to admit, it sounds like a very odd dish. But after one taste, I understood what all the talk was about. If you want to learn to make this dish, then come on in the kitchen with me and we'll get started. If you are new to this channel, then let me introduce myself. My name is Rhonda, and I am just a Southern girl who enjoys Southern cooking. I grew up on a South Georgia tobacco farm, and my mom and I did lots of cooking on a daily basis. We had lots of hungry teenagers to feed 5 days a week. Surely, there is someone out there who has a similar upbringing. If you did, leave me a note in the comments. Did you love it? Did you hate it? But to be honest, back then, cooking was not what I wanted to be doing, but neither was picking tobacco. I did it though. My parents raised me to work hard, and so I did. I later married, and we started a family, and then we just kept right on working. I worked a couple of accounting jobs. Then I attended nursing school and worked as a registered nurse in a surgical department here at a local hospital. I have since retired from nursing, and I am thoroughly enjoying my time at home. I cook, I clean, I maintain, I grow a lot of our own food, and I'm back to some part-time accounting for our family. And I'm spending a lot of time with our only granddaughter. I really feel that I am right where I am supposed to be in this season of my life. I started recording videos of my recipes because, number one, it's fun to do, but mostly to leave a legacy for my girls. So let me thank you for spending your time with me, and I really look forward to hearing from you in the comment section of these videos. Let's get started cooking. I made a pan of cornbread this morning, and I have just cubed it up in this casserole dish. Now let me stop and say that you can make this dish various ways, and I've done so. You can mix it all together as if it was a potato salad where everything gets moistened with dressing, or you can layer it in a trifle dish, which to me is prettier but harder to serve, and not all your ingredients get wet with the dressing. And a third way, which is what I'm doing today, is called cake pan style. Only I'm using a shallow casserole dish. The principle is the same. It is layered, but all the ingredients will get moistened this way. I layered my cornbread cubes, then some pinto beans, whole kernel corn, chopped tomatoes, and I'm using Sun Gold cherry tomatoes and Bella Rosa tomatoes right from the garden. Then I add chopped green and red pepper, some diced cucumber, again from the garden, and some diced onions. And then I step over and I make my dressing. Now this is 1.5 cups of ranch dressing with 1/2 cup of BBQ sauce added to it. Spread it all over the top of the salad. Then just add your cheese, bacon, and green onions, and as you can see, my dish is full. Cover it tightly and put it in the refrigerator a couple of hours before serving. Old family recipes of cornbread salad differ slightly, but the use of salad dressing versus mayonnaise is the main point of contention. It usually depends on what you grew up eating, but I've tried both, and it's just a matter of personal preference. Either will moisten the salad. Anyway, I hope you enjoy this recipe as much as I do, and if you haven't already, give it a try, and I will talk to y'all in the next video.